Latest Trump news today. The recent court ruling deemed certain presidential tariffs on international goods, particularly those under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act (IEEPA), to be illegal. This decision affects tariffs on countries like Mexico, Canada, and China, but not industry-specific tariffs such as those on steel and aluminum. The closure of a tax loophole for items under $800, which is unrelated to this ruling, will also impact small businesses importing low-value items into the US. The Trump administration has signaled plans to deploy federal forces, including ICE and potentially the National Guard, to Chicago to address crime and unauthorized immigration. This move has been met with resistance from local leaders, including Chicago's mayor, who signed an executive order preventing local police cooperation with federal immigration efforts. The Illinois governor criticized the plan as an uncommunicated, secretive invasion. Maryland Governor Wes Moore criticized the Democratic Party for not delivering tangible results and overly focusing on opposition rather than constructive actions. This critique highlights a broader dissatisfaction within the party as leaders grapple with how to regain traction after recent electoral setbacks. The discussion also touched on the party's perceived disconnect with American voters, particularly males, suggesting a need to realign their message. The deployment of federal troops to US cities for crime and immigration enforcement is a contentious issue. Critics argue it could desensitize the American public to military prisons typically reserved for severe civil unrest, a move they claim is more characteristic of authoritarian regimes. This strategy may reshape public perception of safety and government intervention in urban areas, influencing upcoming electoral decisions. Subscribe for more curated news.